Hi there, this is Rustic David. Welcome to my workshop. I make rustic and recycled wood furniture. On my channel, I'm going to show you how you can do it too. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the record Irwin No. 4 hand plane. So, a few things about this plane. I'll just bring the camera in closer so you can see it. Okay, so this is a No. 4 Irwin record plane. You might hear people call it a jack plane. I truly believe you can do nearly everything with a No. 4 plane. You don't need a huge array of planes to get started. This does an awful lot of work. What's a little bit different about the record plane than you'd see on a Stanley, for example, is the lever cap. Here it has a knurled brass knob to take it off. This cap, this keeps the blade and the chip breaker, this piece, it keeps it all connected to the body of the plane. Without getting into too many details, here we've got an adjustment knob which is also brass and knurled, like for grip, and this adjusts the blade in and out. This lever here adjusts the blade so it'll be straight with the sole, the bottom of the plane. This is called the frog. Now, this can be moved backwards and forwards. When you're beginning, don't get too hung up about this. Just try to keep it straight with the mouth, the hole in the sole, the bottom of the tool. This is the mouth. Try and keep the frog straight and in line here. You can move it backwards, you can move it forwards. Don't want to get hung up on that now. Okay, so, and get it up close to the edge, like a few millimeters. Can you see that? How far that is from the edge there? So that's quite a rough cut. I mean, you can even go a little bit closer, something like this. But again, something like that'll be nice. And then tighten up the screw. When you assemble it back into the body of the plane, you want this screw to sit in here, like this. And this little knob from the lever, you see this is what moves the blade left and right, like this, to get it straight with the sole. Then your cap iron, lever, cap, whatever you want to call it, sits on the top here, and you close this knurled nut. On other planes you've got like a lever here. Don't close it too tight because you won't be able to adjust the blade with the blade adjustment. Now I want to look underneath the tool and look. I look from here down and I have a look. How far is the blade poking out? Well, it's poking out a lot at the moment. So we're going to take up that with the knurled knob here. I don't know how well you can see that, but the blade isn't exactly straight. So when I look down the tool this way, I can see this corner's high and this corner's low. So I push this adjustment lever towards the high corner, like this. There we are. I'm going to try and let you have a view of that. Push the lever over there, and this corner pokes up, and when I push it back, the other corner pokes up, and I'm trying to get it straight like this. Okay, and I can just see the blade just poking out very slightly out of the sole. So let's see how it performs, shall we? So here we have a piece of pine. I just put it in the vise. Let's see how the plane behaves. There we are, look at that. A beautiful full-length shaving. We can't complain about that. Lovely. So there you go. Record Stanley number 4. A really amazing tool for the price. I highly recommend it. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like, subscribe and ring the little bell so you get notifications when I put up more videos. And thanks for watching. All the best. Bye now.